right, here we are, John and I, trying to attempt to get to the top of that dormant volcano, which is the Nevado De Colima, which is the dormant volcano that's the sister volcano to the Colima volcano, which is very active. And we ran into a little bump in the road. Covates. Stupid covates. Anyway, we are trying to bootleg this thing, but there's not really much of a trail, so we're going to try to go and bribe our way in on foot and see what we can do from there. But we'll see how it turns out. Just another day in the RV life, huh? Jonna doesn't want to go off the edge of this cliff that's right over there. I'm all for it. Of course, we don't have any rope or anything, but let's see how this turns out. Stay tuned.
Yes, I'll do.
So, here we are heading to Nevado De Colima. We're not allowed to do this, but we're allowed to walk, apparently. So, we can't take the Jeep.
It's 20 miles.
Yeah. So, we're gonna bribe the guards. We're walking stealthily down the road, and we're going to bribe. Maybe this wasn't a guard. We're going to bribe somebody who's in here to come and pick us up in a truck, take us to the antenna, which shortens the hike tremendously.
Yeah, by 20 miles.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Danny thinks we're going to get out and hike 20 miles,
Yeah.
3,000 foot altitude gain. And we're not in shape, and we're ill prepared.
Hey, round is a shape.
Yeah, I guess we're in shape. We can roll down fine.
Yeah, no problem.
But look, we have a buddy too.
So instead of giving up, this is Mexico. You can bribe your way into anything.
Made it happen. We made it happen.
We'll see you at the top or along the way.
Peace out.
Well, we did it. We scammed our way.
Danny style.
Yeah.
This is so Danny style.
We scammed our way into a ride most of the way up. So,
thank God you were trying to like totally go through the shrubs and brush on your own.
Yeah.
Ducking under trees.
So we got another hour and a half walk, I guess, to the peak. And to make it easy on ourselves, we've got the guy meeting us back in about 3 hours. We should look at the clock. To come get us and take us back. So
it's gonna be a tough 3 hours too.
But a very beautiful one, for sure.
That's for sure.
Can't wait to get up here and get some drone footage around the peak. Well, we'll see you at the top. Or
hopefully.
Or somewhere along the way. Yeah, and this is Nevado De Colima, which is a dormant peak across from the very active volcano of fire. They kind of refer to it as fire and ice. The Colima one is very active, so that one's fire. This one being inactive has snow on it, so it's ice. Fire and ice. The next impossible leg of the journey is the antennas here, and you can see them right behind us.
We're gonna go climb those?
This is about as high as you can drive. Unfortunately, we walked a little too far to where we're.
Unfortunately.
Fortunately, now we can.
Now we have a ride.
Yeah, we have a ride. So.
Except we're gonna have to walk back up.
Yeah. So we're on our way. Let's see. We're literally. Yeah, you've heard of having your head in the clouds. Well, we have our head in the clouds. See, here's kind of a roundabout. We are in a cloud, and you can just barely see it right up there is the peak.
Is that far down?
Yeah. Yeah, we can go down that. It's a little steep, but it's down, not up. Next leg of the journey to the peak. Next leg of the journey. Getting a little tired. Here we are in the clouds. Literally. There's the antennas behind us. the destination ahead. Here's a nice little roundabout. Hope we make it. If not, send someone after us, please.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught
Hey, Jonah,
in
what's the
your
holdup?
eyes, waiting for the sunrise.
Tired.
I barely
Yeah.
even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't
Well,
care, 'cause you were perfect,
all right.
I swear.
We got next time.
But somebody told
We're gonna do
me
this.
that it's
We're
over.
gonna take a trip
Oh
back to the
no,
US.
it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now
We are very close to the bridge. Here, I think another 20 minutes of climbing, and we've got it. However, we do have a ride waiting for us at a certain time. So we're going to come back. We're going to come back and do this. This is definitely recon. We'll next time, COVIDs won't screw it up for us, and we won't waste all our energy walking up a road to get here. And get an earlier start. Have a much better time. So, I don't know what our altimeter is, but
let's see if I can find it.
I'm assuming we're at about 13,000 feet right now. Somewhere in that area. And great day. Beautiful, beautiful hike. I don't regret it. I could probably make it to the top without a backpack though. I don't know.
13,367 feet.
13,367 feet. That's where we're at right now.
Screenshot.
Another day would also be great for us is, so right behind us there, that would be the area where the Colima volcano is, which is the volcano of fire. We're climbing the volcano of ice right now. Unfortunately, the clouds are blocking the view and we can't see the volcano, which typically has, some activity probably just about every day from what I've gathered anyway. Maybe we can drive ourselves over there or something and find something to do. Yeah.
Hey, why don't we make a week out of it? We'll come up
Yeah.
in a couple days, drive around, do a hot spring.
I was hoping that we would at least get this view to the other volcano, but not today. Oh well. It's been a blast. Definitely recommend this one. There she is. We're on our way back. We're pretty much covered in clouds, so there's not a lot to see all around us, but hey, that's what it looks like being in a cloud anyway. And way back over there is the road we need to be at in 45 minutes. Yeah. So we better get our way back over to our ride. Yeah. Otherwise we're stuck. Yeah. Like Chuck. Yeah. Adios.
Adios.
Out for a leisure walk in the
romantic
clouds.
Stroll.
A romantic stroll in the clouds. We got high enough to eat our Fuego chips.
I know.
I don't know what that means. Apparently it means something.
It means that it was our victory. Our victory, whatever.
We got high enough.
Yeah.
Next time, we're not smoking any weed on the way up.
Yeah. Like that's something that we would never do.
We don't even have weed. Fresh mountain air.
It is fresh up here.
So I think it said 3 hours, but I believe we actually drove less from Lake Chapala to Nevado De Colima. And great day. Here's a forward view.
rocks in your shoes?
Lots of rocks in my shoes.
That was fun to scream.
I'm saving them though. I'm collecting the rocks that I have in my shoes. What you doing? Yeah. Heading back to the radio tower. It's a cool valley. I think we could probably make it down there in 45 minutes and head off that truck. But we're going to go over here instead.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too.
And now we are truly walking in the clouds. Like the visibility is pretty slim here. So we're gonna trust we can find our way back. Well, we're almost down.
Yep. He kind of fibbed to me. You know, I thought we were going like on this short drive. I thought it was a drive up.
Kind of.
Well, we got out of the car and he started walking through the forest. 10 miles away, I got a little concerned.
Yeah, I became a little concerned, so I figured I better put my bribing shoes on.
And he did.
And fun day.
He knows how to get it done. We got some great video.
Our unnamed driver, we know his name, but we're not going to tell you
No,
because it's the age of COVID, and we don't want you snitching on our new buddy.
No.
But yeah, thank God they let us in.
I'll tell you what. There's one thing about Danny. It doesn't matter what age it is he's going to figure it out one way or the other.
We're gonna get there.
Yeah.
Border? What border? Yeah, you know.
Gates? What gates?
This day and time, it's probably a little iffy on whether you can get in or out, but I'm pretty sure I could find a way.
I'm pretty impressed. I was ready to just leave at the gate and go have lunch.
Not me.
No, God, you were not giving up.
Nope, give me a power bar and some Fuego chips.
That's about what we had.
Mm-hmm.
See, I wasn't prepared.
Who knows what else is in store for us in the rest of this day. We're going to make the best of it.
And bombshell dropped. Oh, by the way, we're going to go to Estadios.
Oh, yeah.
No Unidos
Yeah, we're going tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Well, in a day or two, once we get a couple of house cleaning things done, we're going to go to Estados Unidos.
Estados non Unidos.
Yeah, no Unidos. I mean, if you're watching TV, thank God we're not over there right now, but just from watching what's on social media, we can't call it the United States. It's very ununited.
Yeah, it doesn't look very fun. I'm not looking forward to it, but I know we have to get some
But
stuff done.
God bless those hedge fund guys. Hopefully the powers that be will bail them out because they really need it. Adios. See you on the next one.
Thank